boys and girls. This is Miss Horvath, and in this video, we're going to review the steps for solving an addition word problem. Our first step is to put on our goggles and read the problem. So go ahead and put on your goggles and follow along as I read. Susan found 3 shells on the beach. Jamar found 1 more shell than Susan did. How many shells did Jamar find? Let's read it one more time. Susan found 3 shells on the beach. Jamar found 1 more shell than Susan did. How many shells did Jamar find? Okay, now that we've read the problem, let's underline the question. Let's underline what we need to find out. So we need to find out how many shells did Jamar find? Now let's circle some important information. We know that Susan found 3 shells and Jamar found 1 more shell than Susan did. So there's a few ways we can solve this problem. We can use manipulatives, and Miss Manning showed you how to use manipulatives yesterday. You can also act out the problem or draw a picture. I'm going to draw a picture. So I know there is Susan, and Susan found 3 shells. I'm going to use circles to represent the shells. So here's Susan, and here are her 3 shells. We know there's also Jamar. So here's Jamar, and we know he has 1 more shell than Susan. So not only does he have 3 shells like Susan, he has 1 more. So let's go to our question. How many shells did Jamar find? Well, here's Jamar, and we see he has 4 shells. So the answer to the problem is 4 shells. Jamar had 4 shells. We can represent this problem with an addition number sentence. We know Susan had 3 shells, and Jamar found 1 more than Susan. 3 plus 1 equals 4. So the answer is 4 shells. All right, excellent job, boys and girls. When you're ready, move on to the next slide and watch the video to help you with today's math lesson. See you there.